I'm going to show you how to connect Xbox Live account with blizzardbattle.net. So, open your web browser and go to battle.net. After that, log into your account, and then once you're on the homepage, on the top right corner, hover over your profile, and then under that, go to account settings. Once you're here, on the left sidebar, find and click connection. Once you're on that, scroll down until you find Xbox Network under connected accounts. Now, click connect. Then after that, read the warning because there will be a 1 year cooldown before you can connect a new Xbox Network account. Now, click continue. It will ask you to sign in your Xbox account or your Microsoft account, which is basically the same. Now, it will ask you if you want to let this app access your info. So basically, you are giving Battle.net the permission to access your Xbox account. Now click accept. Now, after linking, refresh the page to update. Now you can see under Xbox Network, your account must show, indicating that it is linked or connected.